Hi, this is John with The Evolving World. Today I'm doing a quick video on replacing a cabin filter on a Fiat 500. This is the filter we're going to be using today. It's actually an OEM supplier. This costs $10 on eBay. So quite a good deal, made in Germany. Nice quality product. And so yeah, let's go ahead and stick this guy in. So this is the tools that you'll need. You'll need a T25 Torx bit. And you'll need a 5mm socket. If you don't have a 5mm socket, such as myself, you can use this E8 star drive, which is kind of a reverse Torx bit. And then some sort of device to use the bits, and then of course just a flathead screwdriver. So the air filter is located in the right lower front part of the car here in the passenger area. And so what we're going to do is we're going to remove this screw right here, which is a T25. And what we want to do is we're going to pull it from the back forwards out towards yourself. There's a couple clips right here, so be careful not to break those. And there's another retaining clip above here too. So the next step is to remove a little panel that's up here. There's like a couple little clips. There's either push pin clips. This one actually has just regular retaining clips. So you can use your screwdriver or even your fingers. You might be able to pry these off. So we want to take this panel and get this out of the way. Once that panel is off, the next thing you have to do is remove these electrical wires that are in the way. Some cars will have one connector, some might have two. This is an electric version, so looks like we have two here. So these are real easy to take off. Once these connectors are out of the way, next step is to use your 5mm socket. And there's 1, 2 screws right here. Pull those off. Okay, with those bolts out of the way, all you have to do now is just pull this panel right off. And there's our air filter, looking a little dirty. There it is. So installing the filter, there's only thing you have to note is that there's arrows, and you want to make sure that those are pointing inwards, such as so. Okay, so we have the filter lined up. Now we just slide it right on in. It just goes right in. Now we just have to put the cover on. And basically everything is opposite of removal. So when reinstalling this and removing it, I find that moving the mat out of the way definitely helps because it starts to intrude a little bit. So you want to make sure that these clips right here line up with these holes right here. And there's another one up here. You want to make sure that goes in first. I could probably do this with one hand. We'll try. Get that lined up. There we go. So it kind of clips in like that, and there's a clip down here, so you can make sure that one lines up. There's a little thing down here, and there's also another one back here. You need to do like that. So actually, I can do it with one hand. So there we go. And now all you have to do is flip that around and put our little T25 back in, and that is it.